One secret with biscuits. Here's our 3-ingredient biscuit that you've seen us do many times on the show.
It's Sally's biscuit.
Sally's
wonderful.
Sally's wonderful biscuit.
Yes.
You cannot mess this up.
No.
We probably will today, but you can't mess it up. And the secret about biscuits is there's 2 secrets that we found over the millennia that we've been doing this show. You basically, if you fold it enough, it'll have layers. Yeah. And then when you cut it, you know, make sure you cut it big enough, but when you cut it, don't twist, push. Because if you twist, you'll seal those layers shut to some degree and you won't have that flakiness there.
So you want me to fold it for you? I did
Let's
it
do a couple
already.
more folds. I know you've already done it. I'm gonna put just a little bit of oil around this cup. Kelly bought me.
Nice cup.
There's one. I'm excited. Oh. There's 2. And with these biscuits, one thing that makes them special, buttermilk and self-rising flour.
There you go.
One thing great about when I was a kid, we always had bread.
Yeah.
And we used to visit these people that had a huge farm and they had their own bees. Oh. And they would make their biscuits and they were so proud of their honey that they would put their honey on every table.
You loved that, didn't you?
And it was like cheating. I'm like, you mean I get to put honey on a biscuit with butter and eat it right here with everything else? And don't you think I didn't eat a lot of bread that day?
You've never stopped.
Let's pop those in. How long? 450 for 10 minutes.